Hello, good day, and welcome to this session on warehouse management system. By the end of this session, you should be able to explain warehouse management system, explain the benefits of warehouse management system, as well as discuss the important features of a good warehouse management system. So, warehouse management system has come to replace the manual, paper-based, repetitive and stressful old ways of handling warehousing operations, and it's a system that interfaces within the warehouse with other facilities in the warehouse to perform effectively and efficiently warehouse functions. So basically, warehouse management system is described best as the advanced technology and operating processes that help to optimize all warehousing functions. So if you have a warehousing management system, it means this system is in place to automate and help to facilitate the warehousing operations that was previously done with manual labor and paper-based mediums. So the warehouse functions that warehouse management systems perform encompass all warehousing operations, from receiving of goods from suppliers through to shipments of those finished goods to customers for resale or for consumption. And it is key for organizations to adopt and implement warehousing management systems because of its potential to help organizations achieve competitive advantage. This is through its ability to help in reducing labor costs because of the adoption of automated systems. It also helps to improve customer service, and then it helps to increase inventory accuracy and improve flexibility and responsiveness to customer orders, among others. So, warehousing management system implementation in a given organization's warehouse helps them to achieve competitive advantage. So, why then does an organization need warehouse management system? An organization needs warehouse management system to facilitate coordination, in a sense that the warehouse management system helps to process data quickly and helps to facilitate movement within a warehouse so that places that employees cannot access, warehouse management systems through its interface with other warehouse facilities will be able to coordinate the movement to retrieve or store goods in the warehouse. An organization needs warehouse management systems to also handle large volumes of transactions because the old paper-based systems could not handle certain transactions in the warehouse, like receiving and keeping accurate records of multiple line of items within the warehouse, handling lots of orders, handling a lot of replenishment activities, among others. But the introduction of warehouse management systems helps organizations to handle large volumes of transactions within the warehouse. And then warehouse management system is needed in an organization to improve their competitiveness, as we have established earlier on. It helps to ensure that the organization is ahead of the competition in their industry, in the sense that it helps to quickly get access to customer orders and then quickly fulfill those orders so that customers receive their orders on time and in full. Then an organization will also need warehouse management system for effective data management, because as the previous paper-based system was quite ineffective in handling data and transactions in the warehouse management system automates and facilitates the effective management of data in a given warehouse. Then it's also needed to handle the ever increasing customer demand because of its ability to quickly respond to customer orders and achieve or track customer orders as and when they move along the supply chain till they reach the organization. So the benefits of having a warehouse management system are plentiful. Some of them include they help to provide real-time stock visibility and traceability. Because of the interface with other systems within a warehousing operation or logistics supply chain, it provides certain mechanisms like the use of RFID, the use of technology to track inventory as they move within the warehouse and also within the supply chain. They also help to improve productivity, and it is a key outcome which wouldn't have been recognized or realized when organizations are using the manual processes. They also help to achieve accurate stock in the sense that manual handling of goods is bound to mistakes, but the use of technology helps to ensure that the right number of goods are retrieved and stored in a given warehouse. They help to reduce mistakes because if you program a machine to go and retrieve 10 units of an item or to go and pick a customer's orders, the tendency for mistakes is reduced. Hence, the less likelihood or there is no likelihood that a customer order will be mistaken when there is the adoption of warehouse management systems, which wouldn't have been the case when the organization is using the manual system. Then it also facilitates automatic replenishment in the sense that the system is able to prompt as and when the goods have fallen below the reorder level, and then it prompts the organization on the need to restock or replenish the stock that have fallen short in the warehouse. It helps to reduce returns, and this can be deduced from the benefits of reduction of mistakes and then ensuring of accuracy in order picking. It also facilitates accurate reporting, improved responsiveness to customer orders, remote data visibility, improved customer service, and then minimized paperwork as was previously seen in the manual way of handling warehousing operations. In choosing a warehousing management system, there are certain factors that organizations have to consider. Some of them include the need to understand the needs of the company and the key business requirements for future as well as current needs. Then you also have to understand the company's strategy and ensure that the specific needs of the warehouse are met by selecting the solution that best matches the business objectives. Then you also have to consider the organization's sourcing process, whether you seek to make or buy, and then the type of inventory that you'll be keeping, as well as the warehousing needs of the organization. Then the key factor that has to be considered is the return on investment, because warehousing management systems are technology. So you have to consider whether incorporating that in the organization process would be worth it or not to the organization. A key or an ideal warehouse management system should possess certain characteristics for it to be fit for purpose. And some of them include it should be able to interface with other systems. So the computer system should be able to operate with the conveyor, it should be able to operate with the scanner, it should be able to operate with the stock keeping ability of the warehouse so that it is not rigid in its operation. It should also be modular and scalable. So it should be fit for the organization's needs. It should be fit for the functionalities that the organization requires for it to handle. And then it should be accessible to the people who will be using it. There should be ease of operating the warehouse management system. And it should be a standard system that is easy to learn and then easy to use and operate within the organization with little or no cost.